Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Dolio City in Yunlin County is home to a Lords of the Three Mountains temple called Shun Tian Gong. The temple's three deities originally came to Taiwan from China's Guangdong province. Worshippers used to carry the gods on pilgrimages between 9 different towns. But in 1970, the three gods were permanently enshrined in Dolio City's Shuntian Temple.
顺天宫是位于云林县斗六市的一座三山国王庙，当初从广东潮州引请过来建庙。日本统治时代末期则暂时安置在斗六等9个邻近村落，由当地的客家族群轮流奉祀。如今，顺天宫内供奉的三山国王，则是于民国59年迎回斗六的。Hey, it's time for a talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
大家好，我係 Joseph 林。今天星期一，猴子穿新衣。今天星期六，猴子去斗六，对不对？
对，
超过去很多星期啦。It's a very famous nursery rhyme that kids love to say. And because today we're talking about a place called 斗六, I thought I brought that out. You know?
講到一個斗六哈，斗六
怎麼講？
斗六哈，斗六。
斗六 ，OK， 斗六。
到斗六哈，我以前嘅客家人嘅歷史啊，就一定要去一個順天宮。
順天宮。
順天宮。
哦，順天宮。Okay, another temple that you can find in 斗六 is the 順天 Temple. 讓我來猜，是不是又要來祭拜三山國王了？
沒錯。
Hey, okay, another temple worshiping the lords of the three mountains. All right. And about the 順天 Temple, I heard there's Old Street that's not too far away from it.
冇錯，就係太平路街。
太平路街 it's an old street full of culture, and it's more than half a kilometer long. So it's really, really cool if you go visit. 當地有什麼樣的美食可以介紹一下嗎？
當然做得啦。
We're going to talk about certain food items and delicacies you can find in this area.
我講一項當名嘅嗬，叫做一個油魚水羹。
啊，油魚水羹？什麼是油魚水羹？
一般你聽到就會油魚羹，就是魷魚羹。
哦，
它這個是油魚水。
哎。魷魚嘴？
對，魷魚嘴。
Okay. It's famous for its squid soup over there, which is 魷魚羹, which is the simple stuff. But there's something that's even more unique. It's the squid's mouth. Actually, this is a very famous dish here in Taiwan. 有叫龍珠啊，就是魷魚嘴嘛，對不對？I just got to tell you though, even though it sounds kind of weird, but the squid mouth is actually very tasty, whether it's in a soup or if you fry it. But in any case, if you go to 斗六, you can actually try the squid mouth soup, 也就是魷魚嘴羹。
魷魚嘴羹。
魷魚嘴羹 but if you just want to say squid, 魷魚的話就是魷魚。All right, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼睇㗎？
案子誰張來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.